So we're back and I changed my shirt. So today I'm gonna be starting a new series on my channel called Throwback Thursday, and I don't know how often I will do this, probably once a month, or honestly probably will be like almost all the time, because I do not want to buy any more makeup, but I have some makeup actually coming in the mail, so you'll probably see a review on that. So today's Throwback Thursday is awesome because I am going to be doing a look today using this Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. And also during this time, by the time I upload this hopefully, but Juvia's Place was having a big tail Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, so hopefully you got some products from them. And I will be doing some looks with my other Juvia's Place palettes, because I literally have all of them except for the last one, which is their Warrior 2 palette. Just an all matte palette, and I just don't feel like I really have to buy that one. Like, who doesn't have all matte browns? But I do. But yeah, so this is the palette right here. And I broke my orange in it, so I'm not really going to be showing you that. But this is the palette right here. And I really want to use this blue color right here all over my lid. So yeah, that is literally the look we're going to try to achieve today. This is really smoked out brown, blue eye. So first I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and set it all over my eyes to act as a base for my eyeshadow. Then I'm taking the color Madagascar and putting it in my transition. This is going to act as a blending color for this eye look. Next, I'm taking a big fluffy brush so it can be smooth and no harsh lines on that crease. And next, we're going to take the color Kenya and put it all into my crease with a 217 brush by MAC, or something similar to that. It's really a Morphe brush. But basically, we're just going to put it in the crease, and it's just to give the crease some depth. And blend it all out with fluffy brush again. Gonna lay it down with some glitter glue because my eyes are hooded, and this leaves the eyeshadow sticky so it won't blend into my crease. And next I'm going to take the color Cleopatra, which is that beautiful blue color, and just pat it all over my eye. I'm not going to really swoop this, I'm just going to pack it on to give it that vibrancy. And now I'm taking Frostbite by Divina Cosmetics and putting it in my inner corner highlight. This just lets the look so great. It really pops out against this dark blue. And next I'm highlighting my eyebrow bone with Zuri, which is a very light champagne color in the palette. And then I'm going to pop on my Visor Free lashes. Literally just pop them on. And they're so nice and wispy. They're just beautiful. And then just putting on a clear gloss by MAC, and that's it. Alright, that is it. You know, I was debating on putting like glitter underneath my eye, but I kind of want to just wash off my makeup, and I don't want a bunch of glitter on my face for tomorrow when I go to work. So that is the end of this look. Welcome to Throwback Thursday. Welcome to this look. Hello. It is I did this. So it's nice. It came out a lot more pigmented than I thought it was going to be. And it looks nice. I like it. Blue for winter. Alright, you guys, thank you for coming here today. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. All the details are below because literally I write it all the time. I'm uploading every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So yeah, there it is.